I'm Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja. You are watching my YouTube channel, Dr. Raja Nadeem Sajjad Official. This vlog is about abdominal pain. This is very common problem in all ages, males, females, children, elderly, young adults. In abdominal pain, we are in normal circumstances, we are unaware of actions of our abdomen or discomfort from activities such as eating, movements of food through the intestines or bowel movements. Nerves are constantly monitoring activities in our body, and when those messages are transmitted to the brain and come into conscious as unpleasant sensations, we may sense pain and discomfort in the abdomen. When we should be worried or when you should seek medical help, no doubt pain is always abnormal, but it may not be emergency. If the pain is mild or chronic in nature, it may not be a dangerous sign, but you should seek medical help. Speak with your doctor whenever it is convenient for you. If the pain is severe in the abdomen with red flags, it is no doubt emergency. For example, if someone is coming with fever, diarrhea, persistent constipation, blood in the stool, vomiting blood, persistent nausea or vomiting, severe tenderness of the belly, jaundice, that is the yellow discoloration of the skin, or swelling of the abdomen. So what are the common causes of abdominal pain? Pain from abdomen or abdominal wall. Pain messages originating in the chest, back, or pelvis can sometimes be perceived as coming from the abdomen. The best examples of this pain from abdomen or abdominal walls are pneumonia or heart attack. There are some other causes of non-abdominal origin of the abdominal pain. For example, pleurisy. Pleurisy is an irritation of the lining around the lungs, or pulmonary embolism, that is the blood clots in the lungs. Abdominal or chest wall pain. If someone developed shingles, herpes zoster infection, or inflammation of the rib cartilages, if someone suffered with blunt trauma or muscle pulls, or suffering with neuropathy, for example, nerve irritation or hernia, scars of old injury or old operation. So these are also the causes of abdominal pain. The other causes are inflammatory conditions of the upper abdomen. For example, gastric ulcer or duodenal ulcer. I will give link about gastric ulcer as well as duodenal ulcer in my video. Or if someone is suffering with gastroesophageal reflux disease, that is also called as esophagitis, or irritation of the lining of the stomach, that is called as gastritis. If there is an inflammation in the pancreas, or if someone is suffering with inflammation of the gallbladder, that is called as cholecystitis. And sometimes if someone has developed gallstones, and whenever gallstones passes through the bile duct, it also causes abdominal pain. Hepatitis is an important cause of abdominal pain. So hepatitis is actually infection or inflammation of the liver. Colitis, that is inflammation or infection of the colon or gastrointestinal, small bowel or large bowel. If there are any functional problems in the abdomen, then there is also abdominal pain. For example, non-ulcer dyspepsia. It is a discomfort after eating food, but it is not due to the ulcers. Or problems with the bile duct wall, functional abdominal pain, or some people suffer with irritable bowel syndrome that is associated with the pain whenever there is a bowel movement. If there is a cancer, then that also causes abdominal pain. For example, liver cancer, bile duct or gallbladder cancer, pancreatic cancer, stomach cancer, blood cancer, which is called as lymphoma, that is cancer of immune cells. If there are any vascular problems in the abdomen, that is one very common problem that is called as abdominal aortic aneurysm. That is the swelling of the main artery in the belly, in the abdomen. Or the other common problem is mesenteric vascular insufficiency. If there is any inflammation or inflammatory condition in the mid or lower abdomen, then also there is abdominal pain. For example, Crohn's disease or inflammatory bowel disease, inflammation or infection of the colon, diverticulitis, so that is the inflammation of pouches that form in the colon, appendicitis. If the bowel is obstructed, if any small intestine or large intestine is obstructed, then yes, there is a pain and it is an emergency. This obstruction could be due to adhesions or a tumor, inflammation, or colon cancer. Important cause of abdominal pain are, for example, renal calculi or renal stones, or infection in the renal tract, or cancer of the kidney or bladder. So let's talk about the common causes of abdominal pain in women. Cancer in any area, for example, in ovary, in cervix, in uterus, or inflammation, infection of the tubes, or any cyst in the ovary, ectopic pregnancy, fibroid tumors of the uterus. So I have released one video on fibroid tumors. So I will give the link in this video. So please watch that one as well. Or endometriosis. So diagnosis is always based on the history, presenting complaints. So doctor will take detailed history and then will examine. So after examination, then blood test will be done to rule out different diseases, inflammation, infection, and doctor will also suggest imaging of the abdomen, X-ray or CT scan. If endoscopy is necessary to identify the cause of abdominal pain, then endoscopy will be done, and sometimes emergency surgery is done if the doctor cannot identify the cause of abdominal pain, and if that is a really emergency or it is a life-threatening, so they might explore the abdomen. So treatment of abdominal wall is according to the cause of the abdominal pain. If surgery is necessary or medications will help to resolve the pain, so then the treatment will be accordingly. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel and press bell icon button so you will receive all my new videos. Thank you.